The main issue in textile and fashion industry is that we really don't know what's happening there. All our supply chain is foggy. So that's why we developed the certification UpMade, and that gives us full transparency. 7 years ago, I had the possibility to take it to the mass production level. So I started to work with one Bangladeshi company called Beximco, and 3 years we had just development phase. We were just testing how we could bring the leftovers back to the production inside the one factory. All our jeans are made from the raw denim. It means that we are not using any post-production, no chemicals at all. We are just using already existing material, and that actually means from our collection not even carbon neutral but carbon positive collection. It means that we are using already existing material what usually goes to the waste. The thing what we do differently is that we bring together environmental sciences, knowledge about the production and good design. And that's how happens circular design, how we call it. And that's actually how we influence the sustainable consumption. Our collection saves on average 75% of water and 88% of energy. Let's all come together to solve different Chinas to UN Environment Assembly.